Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, same to you. How are you, sir? Long time no see. How have
Yes,
you?
I'm doing I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yes, I'm doing great.
Yes,
Now,
how's practice going on?
yes,
How is your practice going on?
yes, it's doing good, doing well, as you can say. It's going well.
I have watched so many video on your YouTube channel. You don't upload the conversational video, but you always upload the blog video on your YouTube channel. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I didn't upload any conversation video because I decided I will post only solo video or blog video, English blog video. That's why I just practice English for here on this application for
Yes.
practicing English. That's why I come here, but I didn't upload any conversation video. You can see
Yes.
my channel properly. I didn't upload a single video.
Yes, I have watched. I have watched your video and I have watched your YouTube channel. Yeah. And right now you are doing a good job. Yeah. I whenever I get free time, I watch your video. And ma'am, first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Okay, why not? It's my pleasure to say something in front of you about myself. This is Ruma Naik, and I am homemaker, and I have a daughter, and I have been living Hyderabad for 3 years, but I am from West Bengal. So that's all about me.
Yes, yes. It is good to know about yourself. And may I introduce myself?
Yes, now your turn.
Yes, first of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal. And by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Yes, yes, I have seen so many videos you have posted only conversation videos. So when I get free time, I try to watch your conversation video and
Yes.
short video. Maybe short video there.
Yes, I make this kind of video because I am right now also I am on the roof at my house. Yeah, and in this place there is a good network connection. That's why I always make this kind of video in this place. But whenever I get free time, I always go to the field area, and at that place I make the blog video.
Okay, what do you think? Alone place is perfect for speaking for practicing English.
Yes, yes, definitely. Actually, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time, I went to the field area, and at that place, I always make the video 2 minutes or 3 minutes in front of camera. I would speak continuously, and after recording the video, I watched very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing while speaking English. After that, also, I had to rectify, and I had to find out and what kind of mistake, and I had to rectify. In this way, also, I started my English speaking journey. That's why also I always like this place. I know properly for starting your English speaking journey. Always environment is very important. Always you have to make a good English environment. Yeah.
Yes, you are right. And I always prefer naturally or practically you can learn English easily. Whatever you see, whatever you can find around of you, all things try to explain in English. Like this way you can speak naturally or easily, I think. So many
Yes.
learners, you can say so many learners there nowadays they are practicing English like this way, doing any work, by doing any work they are try to speak English, they are try to practice English. So I decided I will learn this language by this way, practically or naturally, so that my sound like natural or native. And I have been learning English, as you know, for 6 months, 7 months. It has been passed, but really, I wasn't comfortable to speak English 6, 7 months ago. But right now, I am being able to speak English. Even I couldn't speak English in front of my husband. I used to feel shy. But right now, I can't. I can't stop. As you can say, I can speak English properly in front of my husband, also others. I don't feel like that if I make mistake, what if people laugh about listening my English. But I don't feel right now like this type of problem. I don't care about it. What if I sound silly? That's all. I am just learning this language and I will be learning English. Come what may, I think sooner or later I will get success or not, I don't know. But I will be practicing English, but I will be learning this language. I don't want to
Yeah,
become perfect English speaker. Just I want to speak any daily activity, any daily use sentences so that I can speak. I try to create this type of environmental in my home. As you can say, if I talk about my childhood, I back in my day I didn't get this type of environmental to speak English, to practice English. So that's why I decided I will create this type of environmental for my upcoming generation.
yes, you are right. Actually, you are learning a new language. Yeah, it is second language. It is not your mother tongue. That's why mistake is common. Yeah, everyone makes mistake. No one perfect in this world. Yeah, if you don't make mistake while speaking English, you cannot learn this language. Yeah, mistake is way of learning the language. And ma'am, you know how did you learn your native language? At that time, for learning your native language, at that time you made so many mistakes. Yeah, you make so many mistakes while speaking your native language. That's why
And
don't
most of
worry about
time,
making mistake.
yes, most of time we have learned our native language, our mother tongue by listening, by copying. I think so. Same thing we have to say. We have to do here as a new English learning who are learner who are try to learn new language, not only English but any language. If you want to learn any skill, if you want to improve, then every skill takes time, as you know. So it totally depends on you how much you spending time here, how much you practice any skill like cooking skill, practicing any skill, computer skill, dancing skill, singing skill. Nothing happens overnight, as you know.
Yes, you are right. Everything, if you want to learn anything, always practice is the most important key. Always you have to practice. And ma'am, by practicing right now 6 months, you are also speaking English very well. I have watched so many video on your YouTube channel. But ma'am, how did you learn your native language and what is the secret? Please share.
Yes, yes. Thank you for saying here that really I can't believe that I wasn't comfortable to speak English, but really by practicing and with practice I am being able to speak English with confidence. Really, I always try to practice English in front of others, and when I get free time, I did it that I open my camera and just I try to speak. Whatever I listen, I try to make sentences with them. I try to use all the vocabularies what I have listened, what I have read, all the sentence I try to use in sentence, and I also try to use in my daily life. Daily life sentence, daily life relative sentence I used to make, and nowadays I'm doing that. Like this way I can remember all the vocabularies, new phrases, new idioms, I think. And every day I try to use. After waking up to before going to bed, all the times I try to all the sentences, all the daily use sentences I try to use every day.
Yes. And ma'am, how much time do you practice every single day?
Every single day. Oh, I have already told you. After waking up to before going to bed, all the time I try to speak in English. If I don't know actually properly meaning what the meaning of this word, then I look it up in the nature net. Also, I use Chat GPT application to correct my English, as you can say.
Yes, that's why also you are improving day by day. Every single day, whatever you will see, and always you will try to think in English. That's why also you are improving day by day. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to work on hard about it. You have to properly work if you want to if you want to improve any skill, if you want to learn any skill, then if you want to wholeheartedly, then you I think you have to do properly in a correct way, then you can improve.
Yes.
If you
And ma'am,
just if
I
you
will.
that I just want to time pass, then I think you never get success, I think. If you are thinking in your mind, then I can speak English easily. It's just a piece of cake for me. If you are thinking, then I'm sure you will never speak English. You have to apply all things in your day-to-day life.
Yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I'd like to ask one question to you. You have been learning this language around 6 months, and I have been learning this language around 1 year. And I know it is not my native language; it is second language. That's why it will always take time. Yeah, you cannot learn this language very easily. But I noticed that many YouTubers they are always making the thumbnail. How will you learn this language just 15 days? How will you learn this language just 30 days? And ma'am, what do you think? Is it possible just 15 days and just 30 days you can learn this language very easily?
Oh no, no, it will never possible, I think. As a learner, as a beginner, I can say it, I can bet it that you never speak English within 3 months. Really, within 15 days, 1 month, you will never speak English. Because every skill takes time, I have already told you. And if I talk about learning English, if I talk about speaking English, then it as a long journey.
Yes,
I think we never learn anything at once. If you do it, then you will forget all things. I think you have to learn little by little. As you know, when I was beginner back in my day, that time I used to practice English daily use sentences. I used to practice every day, every single day. Like come here, go there, sit here, take it, it's your bag, this is my bag. This type of small sentences I every day I used to practice. Really, by practicing all the basic sentences, it will help me a lot to make my confidence level, to build up my confidence level to speak English continuously. You can't believe that. So I always say that if you want to learn this language, then you can start with your simple goal. No need to hurry. No need to learn at once everything. I always tell it. Learn slow by slow. Listen every day. If you get free time more than 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whenever you get free time, that time try to listen English. And after listening English, you can speak English. Must you can speak English because I know I have listened English a lot back in my day. That's why I'm telling you. So
yes, yes,
I
you're right.
think that it will never possible to speak English within 4 months, 3 months. Who can tell? I don't know how they provide, how they teach them. I don't know actually. And
Yes,
who
yes,
are one I want to say one thing, that's who are beginners like I can say that I am intermediate, like I can read, I can write, and also I can speak a little bit English. But who are beginners, who don't know how to speak English, who don't have any idea, who don't know how to read, who don't know how to write, then I can say here, then they can learn English by watching English related any content video, English related any cartoon videos. They
yes,
can
yes,
learn
you're
English by through the YouTube videos.
yes, you're right. And ma'am, and when I started my English speaking journey, at that time also I followed these rules, and you have already followed. And first of all, I use short sentence from here and go there. After that, I add another word. Come here quickly, go there fastly. In this way, also I started my English speaking journey, and I know very well. And if you asking the question, it is also so difficult for learning this language as a beginner. Yeah, and that's why I first of all I have to select one tense. Suppose I went, past tense, past indefinite tense. I went. After that also I ask the questions. Yeah, yeah. Where did you go? And after that also you have to give the answer. I went to the market. Yeah. And after that I ask another question. With whom did you go to the market? Yeah, I
Yes,
went to the market with my father. Yeah. In this way also I started my English speaking journey.
yes, you can do it. You can practice English with yourself. It's a really one of the best way to practice English. Who don't have practice partner? So what should I do? We should practice English like this way because I used to do it. That's why I'm
Yes.
telling.
Yes. And then,
You are going
uh,
good.
right now, right now you are learning this language as well as also you have been running a YouTube channel for a long time. I noticed that. but maybe you have a relatives and you have a few friends. They know about yourself. But what kind of comments are you getting from your YouTube channel, from your friend circle, from your relatives? Are you getting good comments or are you getting bad comments? What kind of comment are you getting?
Yes, it's a social media, so I think we can also good comments. Also, we can get bad comments. So, what the bad comments we have to recover it? What's their problem actually? English relative any problem? If I know, then I must. I will help them. If I don't know, so how can I help? So, as much as I can say that I will help them. And if I talk about another bad comment, so I didn't get a different kind of bad comment. I get bad, I less than bad comments I didn't get, as you can say.
Yes, yes. Yeah, right now also you are doing a good job. There is no chance for getting a bad comment, according to me. And
Why I why I will give them to getting by bad comments?
yes, yes. Yeah, according to me, there is no chance for giving for getting a bad comment.
Why we never get bad comment? Why? Because we are learning new language. So why we will get bad comments? And sometimes if you get bad comments, then I think we should ignore.
Yes, yes. And ma'am,
Yes.
I ask.
At least if you get another bad comment, then you should learn. I think you should ignore. You should avoid.
Yes, yes, you're right. Yeah, we are learning this language. Yeah, mistake is common. Everyone makes mistake. Yeah, there is no problem. And ma'am, I'd like to ask one question to you. And right now, being a housewife, you have a lot of work in your house, and you are learning this language as well as also you are running a YouTube channel. I have been running my YouTube channel around 1 year. I know for running my YouTube channel, I have to struggle a lot because first of all, I have to make this kind of video. After that, I have to edit, and after that also I have to make a good thumbnail for my video, and finally I have to upload the video on my YouTube channel. I know properly what kind of struggle I have to face. But ma'am, I being a housewife, you have a lot of work. But how do you manage your time?
We have to do it. I think we have to our maintain our regularity. Apart from this, we have a lot of work to do. So how can I manage? You can say that if you want any things, if you want to do wholeheartedly, then must is I think must there are some way to uh, get I think get another way. You will find different kind best way to problem solve your problem. I think so, like this way every day. I if, as a YouTube content creator, so we think that most of time we face problem, that is YouTube thumbnail. What is correct thumbnail and what
Yes,
is correct title? How can I find out? So it's not only my problem. Also, who are running a YouTube channel all have that problem. So we have to manage it and we have to search on YouTube. So how can I? What is the good thumbnail? What is the good title for my according my videos? I always to search on YouTube, also Chrome browser.
yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. How many languages do you know? Right, because right now you are living in Bangalore, and how many languages do you know?
Yes, yes, I can speak 5 languages. Yes,
Yes, yes.
Bengali,
Can
Bengali, Hindi, uh, English, Odia language. Also, I can speak Telugu language.
Yes, yes. And I mean, you know so many languages. And ma'am, after learning English, after speaking English, are you happy? Are you happy in your life?
Yes.
After learning this language, are you happy in your life?
Why not? Really, I feel proud of myself when I speak English. I feel proud that one time I seemed I couldn't speak English. Even I never speak English. But when I speak English, I feel that really I feel proud. I feel happy. Then I can speak English. I am being able to speak English right now. So really, I feel happy.
Yes. And ma'am, do you have any member who is speaking English in your family?
Mm, no, no one can speak English. Only my daughter can speak English. So with most of time we practice English together.
Yes,
She is
yes.
6 years old.
Always, yes, always you have to speak with your daughter in English because always you have to make a good English environment at your house for your child. Yeah,
Yes, yes, you are right. So nowadays English is very important, as you know. If you speak English, that people value high, as you know. So we should learn this language
yes, yes, you're right. All right.
to build a strong personality, as you can say.
Yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are talking around 20 minutes. You are speaking English very well. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, ma'am. Thank you for giving a valuable time. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Take care. Bye. Have a good day.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you. See you again. God be with you. Bye bye.
Yes. All right. Take care. Bye.